Here I've got Doogee S90, and let me show you some of the secret codes that you can use on this device. So at first you have to open the phone dialer, because this is the place that we will be entering secret codes. Then just enroll the keypad, and we will start with the first code, which is *##, *46 36 ###. And as you can see, now you can check phone information, user statistics, and also Wi-Fi information. Under phone details, you can find IMEI number, phone number, current network, signal strength, voice service, data service, voice network type, and so on. Also, this mode allows you to perform a ping test. To do it, just click on Run Ping Test, and here it is. So let me go back. Then you've got user statistics, just click here, and as you can see, you can find here detailed information about your applications. So, for example, if you would like to check users time or maybe app last time used, you've got it here. And under Wi-Fi information, you've got Wi-Fi APA, Wi-Fi configuration, and also current status of your network. So let me start with the last one. Here is the status. Just refresh it, and as you can see here, you've got it. You can also perform a ping test here. Just click on it, and as you can see here, you've got the results. Then Wi-Fi configuration, so here you've got all configured networks, and then Wi-Fi APA, and here you can check disable network, disconnect network, enable network, configured networks, and also the whole connection info. So let me go back, and okay, so I didn't show you no, you've seen the phone details, so this is it for this code. And another code is *##, 426 ###. Here you've got the diagnostic mode, where you can check events and also status. And if you would like to activate advanced view, all you have to do is to click on the more icon and then mark advanced view. Here you've got it. So this is it. Let me go back, and another code that you can use here is *##, 225 *##. And now we are in calendar info, where you have holidays, events, celebrations, everything that you have included in your calendar just is right in front of you. So if you would like to check some upcoming events, smoothly enter this code and you will be not surprised by anything. It's all here. And the last code for today, also the shortest one, is *##, 06 £. And as you can see, this one will provide you with unique numbers assigned to your Doogee S90, such as IMEI number. So tap on OK. This is it. That would be all for today. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.